Here we have Damon opening up some, what are they? Star Wars cars. Okay, Damon, show us which one you got. Which one's that?
Chewy.
Chewy? Okay, let's see. Hold on before you rip it open. Let's get a good look at that. Wow, that looks way cool. Okay, open it up. Here, let's move it. No, we'll keep it like that. That's fine. You're like an expert car opener. How many cars have you opened up so far, you think? Huh?
No.
I bet you a lot.
Here it is.
Wow, look at him. And you dropped him on the ground.
And I'm done.
Let's see.
Now
Wow.
that was a hut.
That is a really cool truck. And if you look right here on the back, I think that's like the fifth wheel for the truck. And it's in the shape of the Millennium Falcon.
Okay, here's the devil of the hut.
Very cool.
Devil of the hut.
Let's see. Jabba the Hutt car. Okay. Come on, expert car opener. Wow. Every one you get, you're going to drop it?
Your head is. It like
Way cool.
have like a little date.
Wow, I almost dropped it too, but I caught him. Actually does look like Jabba the Hutt a little bit.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Okay, let's open the next one. What's the next one? Who's that?
Leia.
No, that's not Leia. Let's see. This is from the new movie. The girl from the new movie. What's her name?
I don't know.
Rey.
Ray.
Rey. She uses the blue lightsaber at the end and beats Kylo Ren. Right? Scavenger scum. That's what they stormtroopers call her. Got her? Let's see that cool car. Wow, kind of looks like her costume a little bit. It's a really, whoa. It's a really cool car. Okay, what do you got there? That's just your car from earlier you got. Okay, let's, this one is really cool.
I want Sonic.
Like this one. Alright, you want to show your Matchbox car from earlier that you got? Just like a truck. Very cool. Alright, Damon. You all done opening your Star Wars cars?
Yep.
Okay, who got you those Star Wars cars?
Auntie.
Auntie
Auntie Liz.
Liz.
Subscribe to my video and hope you like it.
You want people to subscribe to your video?
Yeah.
Alright,
I want to put on you.
see you later, bro.